Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the chapter number 9, that is boxes and sketches. Chapter number 9, boxes and sketches. Now, first, I want to tell you that boxes and sketches, the whole chapter is completely focused on visualization of three-dimensional shapes. In your previous class, class 3-4, you have very well studied about the 2D shapes and 3D shapes. So at first, let's have a look of these 2D and 3D shapes. You can see here some 2D shapes and 3D shapes. 2D shapes like circle, triangle, square, rectangle, and others, and 3D shapes like sphere, prism, cuboid, cube, cylinder, and others. So these all are 3D shapes, and all know that 2D shapes means which have the shapes two dimensions, length and breadth, and in 3D shapes these are shapes which have three dimensions like length, breadth, and height. So in this way we can classify the shapes. Now, sweet box. Ramya went to buy sweets. The shopkeeper took a paper cutout and quickly made a lovely pink box for the sweets. So here you can see the lovely pink box which is made of paper cutout. Look at the photo and make your own box. Use the cutout on page 201. How fast can you fold it? So it's an activity that you can do. After coming home, Ramya unfolded the box. She removed the extra flaps so the cutout looked like this. So this is the sweet box and this is cutout of that box. So you can see the dotted lines showing that from these lines it is folded. Okay, now here you can see it has total 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 faces. And now she made 4 more shapes. Each is to be folded along the dotted lines. You have to find out which of these can be made into a box. A, B, C and D. Here we have 4 cutouts of paper. So here we have 4 cutouts of papers. So as you know that a sweet box in the previous cutout from that 6 faces. So it is very clear that in this A, B, C and D cutout, we have to find the 6 faces. If a shape has 6 faces, it means we can make it. But make sure that the all faces should be rectangle. Now come to first A. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 faces. All are rectangle faces. So definitely it can be made. B. Here you can see the cutout are triangular shape. Okay, so it is not, means we cannot make a cuboid sheet box from this. See, here you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 faces. That is definitely can be made a sweet box. And D, here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5. So the number is only 5 faces, so it cannot be made a sweet box. Cutout of A and C can be folded to make boxes. Now shapes that fold into a cube. So cube here we have. Now what is difference between cube and cuboid? So let me clear this. Here I am going to make a square and here I am going to make a rectangle. You very well know the property of a square, that it has 4 equal sides and rectangle has opposite equal sides. Now square and rectangle are 2D shapes. Now if we will make next dimensions means height, so it may be converted into a cube and cuboid. How look? Let's name the corners A, B, C and D. Okay, from corner A, when we will make height of same length. Okay, so you will get a cube. Now it is form of a cube. It all sides are equal. So now it is the cube. Here we have a rectangle. Let's name the corner first. A, B, C and D. From corner A, if you will make a height of any length, but the length should be same. So you will get a 3D dimension, that is a cuboid. So here you can classify the shapes. First difference is that cube is made from a square by forming the height, and a cuboid is made from rectangle by forming its height. So we can get a cuboid. So this is the main major difference from cube and cuboid. Some example of cubes are dice, ice cubes, etc. And cuboid example matchbox, book, door, etc. Okay, now A. Buddha wants to make a paper cube using a square sheet. Yes, we can easily make a cube from square sheets. He knows that all the faces of a cube are squares. Yes, we have discussed about it. Now he draws two different shapes. These two shapes. Will both these shapes fold into a cube? Yes, both the shapes can be folded into cubes. Draw at least one more shape which can fold into a cube. Yes, students, here is one more thing. Have to know that a cube has also 6 faces and all faces have same area, and you can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. When we will fold it, so you definitely get a cube. So now let me make one more cutout of a cube. So let me use this box. So first I am forming these 3 square. 1, 2, 3. Now bottom side I will take more 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now it can be cut out of a cube. Similarly, you can make more cutout of a cubes. What will be the area of each face of the cube? Area of each face of the cube is equals to side multiply side. Side multiply side. Draw one shape which will not fold into a cube. Which will not fold into a cube. So it's very easy. So draw first. We have to make a 2 square. And then some other. This way. So it cannot be folded into a cube. Now look around and discuss which things around you look like a cube. List a few. The following objects look like a cube, like dice, chalk box, Rubik cube, ice cube, etc. Further, we will continue in next video. Thank you.